In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brushstroke design in Canva in just 5 minutes. This quick and simple process is perfect for anyone looking to add a personal and artistic touch to their design projects. Whether you're customizing a social media post, designing a flyer, or drafting a presentation, incorporating brushstrokes can really make your work stand out. So let's get started. First, head over to the Canva website. If you haven't already, you may need to log in or create an account, which is easy and free to do. Once you're logged in, we'll dive straight into creating your new design. After reaching the Canva homepage, locate the Create a Design button. This is where the fun begins, as you can choose from a myriad of formats depending on your needs. Everything from social media templates to posters. Select a format that fits the nature of your project. For instance, if you're planning to post on Instagram, an Instagram post template might be your best bet. Now that you've created a new design, it's time to explore the Elements tab, the toolbox of creativity in Canva. Click on the Elements icon on the left-hand panel and use the search bar to type in brushstroke. You should see a wide variety of brushstroke designs ranging from abstract strokes, watercolors, and even some more textured options. Click through some options to see what's available and keep an eye out for the ones that might complement your overall design vision. After you find the brushstroke that captures your imagination, either click on it or drag it over to your canvas. This is where your design skills really come into play. You can resize the brushstroke by clicking and dragging on the corners. Rotate it using the rotate icon right below, and layer it over or under other elements, like text, images, or shapes, by using the Position tool in the top menu. This flexibility allows you to experiment and find the perfect placement and size that suits your design. Once you've adjusted your brushstroke and are happy with the overall look, it's time to save your masterpiece. In Canva, this is straightforward. Click on the Share button in the top right corner. From there, choose Download. You can select your file type, either PNG for high-quality images or JPG for a smaller file size. Pick the one that best suits your needs and hit Download. Your brushstroke design is now ready to be used and shared. And there you have it, a stunning, customized brushstroke design made in just minutes using Canva. This digital flair can add depth and personality to any project. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.